my name is Mark Evans. This is Cross-Platform Mobile Development Week 3, and this week I'm going to go through these questions real quick, and then I'm going to give you a run through the app I'm submitting, and I'll show you a little bit of the Android side that I've been working on. Okay, first, what did you find most valuable this week? I would say that the Linda videos were very useful. Definitely helped figuring out how to get on track to get the SQL database working for Android, using the DB helper and all that other stuff. What did you find to be the most challenging? Trying to get stuff in sync. I know most of it we'll be getting into that next week, but I was still trying to get into it now, and I found it to be a little challenging. What would you have done differently if you could? I definitely would have liked to have more time, but like I said, there's a whole bunch of stuff in this project that I could dedicate more time to. It's just I'm running out of time, with just 1 week left, and then having to do it for 2 different platforms makes it a little difficult. List a few things that you could use more clarification on. On the Android side, I would like to know a little bit more about how to execute the different commands using the cursor. I might need more clarification on that, but other than that, I think I have a pretty good grasp on the iOS side. So this is what I'm going to be submitting this week, so I'll give you a little rundown of my application. So as you can see here, you see my MDTA app. This is where I work. It's a database here. So if I search for a vehicle, it's being really sluggish. So you hit search, it'll pop up an SQL database. You can click it, get some details, close it. From this screen, you can also update stuff, but let's create one real quick. So we'll enter test. And there's no validation on any of these fields, so that would be something that needs to be added. But okay, so if we search by test, you'll be able to pull it up. As you can see, it shows you when it was created and all that. If I want to go in here and update it, and let's say for the VIN field, we'll put VIN info. So we update it. This, we can pull it back up, and you can see that VIN info was updated. Now on the parse side, you can see this info being updated in that class. So as I reload here, once it decides it wants to load, okay, so it's reloaded. As you can see, the test field was added and it was updated here. So if I open my simulator back up, let's say I want to delete it. So now I search in my SQLite database, it won't come up. If you refresh parse, it's just being super slow right now, my connection. But just to show you another thing too, like let's say 471 actually has a different tag. As you can see, it has SG09493. So like if I go in here and put 474 under the tag section and try to filter it down, you won't get any results. There are a few vehicles that have the same call number and tag number, so like that has the same tag. So but if you actually click it here on the call, you're able to filter it down pretty well. But so as you can see here, as the data browser loads, that test class is gone because it was deleted. So I'm able to delete, update, filter through do all the necessary CRUD functions that I need to on the iOS side. The app is kept in sync as well. I got a method when the view loads to check parse to see if anything has been added. It does. It clears out. It keeps the SQL database in sync. And like I said, for the Android side, I can show you a little video real quick how far I've gotten. So I have a spinner where you can filter it down through. So some of the same vehicles from over there. So we'll do 474. As you can see, that vehicle pops up. So you click on it, you get the details of 474. I haven't really went any further with the update and delete yet, but I'm able to search. I can clear. I can show all that's in there. It shows all the details on the next page. Like I said, as far as keeping it in sync with parse, I only have half of the delete function working, so there's still a lot more to work on. But like if I wanted to search by tag, let's just clear this out. So like 474, I know has a different tag. You'll get no results for 474. So like if I want to do P7, I know that they have the same tag as the call number, so it'll come up. So like I said, my filtering down through, as you can see, it won't come up. So I'm getting pretty far on the Android side, but there's still a lot left to do. And like I said, I'm going to submit my Android side so you can see that I've restructured the database so I can get some points back from last week. And the iOS side is functioning like it should. So that's it. That's it. So I'll see you next week. Bye.